everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about robotics and technology, a mechanism devices that someone resembles a human and is capable of performing variety of often complex human tasks on command or by being programmed in advance, a machine or devices that operate automatically or by remote control. Therefore, what devices was considered the first robot and when was it developed? Robot timeline 350 BC, the great mathematician architects built a mechanical birds the Pegos that is probably by Steve's 2270 BC. A Greek engineer named Sitisbas named a pipe organ called hydrolyze and water clock with movable figures. These clocks were the most accurate until the use of the pendulums in the 17th century. 1801, Joseph Josquard built an automated loom that is controlled by a punch cards. Punch cards are later that used as an input method for some early 20th century computer. 1880, Mark Shelley wrote Frankenstein, which was about a frightened artificial life form created by Dr. Frankenstein. 1941, science fiction writer Isaac Asimov first used the word robotic to describe the technology of robot and prescribed the rise of power robot industry. 1942, Asimov wrote Run Around, a story about robot which contained the three laws of robotics. 1921, the term robot was first used in a play called RUR or Rhizom's Universal Robot. 1940, Isaac Asimov produced a series of short stories about robots, starting with the short Playfellow. For Super Science Stories magazine, the story is about a robot bound to protect a child. It is later compiled into the volume A Robot in 1950. 1948, Cybernetics and Influence and Artificial Intelligence research was published by the Narbert Winners. 1957, George DeVos and the Joseph Wilbergs from the world first robot company. Three law of robot. A robot may not injure a human. A robot must obey the orbit it by human being except where such order would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protest does not conflict with the first or second law. He later added the zeroth law. A robot may not injure humanity. 1970 Star Wars is released. George Lucas introduced watchers to R2, R2D2, and C3PO, and the strongest image of a human future with robot. It inspired a generation of research. 1979, the standard cart crossed a chair filled room without human assistance. The cart had a TV camera mounted on a rail with took picture from multiple angle and rapidly trimmed with the computer. The computer analyzed the distance between the cart and the obstacle. 1997, Pathfinder lands on Mars. 1997, the first node of the ISIS is the place in orbit using a robotic arm. 1998, Tiger Electronic introduced far by it can reach to its environment and communication using over 800 feet. 2004, the Mars exploration rover spreads an opportunity land on the Mars and proved the Mars was once covered with water. 2004, iRobot new versions of the robot trying to make over the world. Hand debut new Asimov robot that can complete office tasks. Why are robots important into the society? Roles and jobs of the robot: computer assistant, manufacturing, military, medical, space exploration, personal. Computer assist manufacturing, car industry, general packaging, mail processing, etc. Military, compute, GPS, guided bombs, smart bombs, move of the roofs of weapon, etc. Advancement in the wire, weapon, aircraft, airline, naval ship, etc. Medical, prosthetic limbs, pacemaker, pile assist mechanics, heart rate monitor, bloom patient machines, etc. Space exploration, developed in 2004, humanoid robot to assist astronauts, controlled by virtual reality, stereotype vision, extras, hands, and several configurations. Personal, fax machine, computer, refrigerators, blender, watch, GPS, receive, etc. Advanced disadvantages and future conclusions of the robot. Pros: each machine robot help our population greatly via technology advance and improvements in the overall health of our society. Medical advance, labor intensive activities are decreased due to the machine robot. Mathematics and statistic computational robot can go and do things that are unsafe or human. Conclusion: loss of jobs due to the replacement by the robot wire of the world. This is very interesting aspects of the robots, and if we can understand their activity, then we can take a good initiative and we can rebuild our generation. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.